Welcome everyone. I'm Miss Akab of BSBA HRM3C. Thank you for joining. My goal is to equip you with valuable insights on the benefits and uses of Brainscape application to help students in gaining, engaging, and learning new knowledge. So let's get started. My title is Unlock Your Memory, Learn Smarter by Brainscape. Its innovative platform leverages spaced repetition to optimize study sessions, making it easier to absorb and retain information. Whether in preparing for exams or exploring new topics, Brainscape adapts to learning pace, ensure and understanding concept effectively and efficiently. What is Brainscape? It is a cloud-based platform that uses flashcards to help learners absorb and retain information. It allows students, teachers, and corporate trainers to create electronic flashcards and to find flashcards created by other users and publishers around the world. Brainscape is an online learning platform that utilizes spaced repetition to help users study and retain information more effectively. It allows users to create or access digital flashcards on a variety of topics, making learning customizable and efficient. The platform adapts to individual learning speeds, ensuring that users focus on areas where they need the most practice. Brainscape is popular among students, professionals, and anyone looking to enhance their knowledge through an interactive and engaging study method. Next. Here are some key features of Brainscape that giving us a powerful and learning flexible tool. First is spaced repetition system. It optimizes learning by scheduling reviews based on how well you know the material, enhancing memory retention. Second, custom flashcards. Users can create their own flashcards, adding text, images, and audio personalized learning experience. Third is the pre-made flashcard libraries. It accesses thousands of pre-made flashcards on various subjects created by other users and educators. Fourth is the progress tracking. It monitors learning progress with detailed analytics, including time spent studying and retention rates. Next is the collaborative learning. It shares flashcards deck with friends or studying group, allowing for collaborative and feedback. Next is mobile accessibility. It can access to both web and mobile platform, enabling on-the-go studying everywhere. Next is study modes. A various study mode, including flashcards and quiz modes, cater to different learning preferences. And last is the integration with other tools. It provides options to integrate with other educational tools and platforms for seamless learning experience. Brainscape covers a wide range of subjects, including entrance exam, professional certification, foreign languages, medical and nursing, English, science, humanities and social study, mathematics, law, and vocation. These subjects make Brainscape a versatile platform for learners across various fields. Here are some quick facts of Brainscape. How can you access the Brainscape app? So visit the Brainscape website to create an account or log in. In mobile app, download the Brainscape app from the App Store or Google Play Store for mobile access. Sign up for free account using your email or social media accounts to start creating or studying flashcard. Once you log in, you can browse existing flashcards or create your own based on your study needs. In conclusion, Brainscape is a powerful learning tool that utilizes spaced repetition and customizable flashcards to improve memory retention. Its accessibility and diverse features make it ideal for students and lifelong learners, empowering users to enhance their study efficiency and achieve their educational goals. In addition, whether you're looking to master a new language, preparing for standardized tests, or delve into various academic subjects, Brainscape offers a flexible and innovative solution for achieving your learning goals. Okay, thank you. I hope you found the training valuable and that you can apply what you've learned. If you have any suggestion, feel free to reach out. Have a great day. Thank you.